what's up guys, welcome back to another mini review, and today we're going to be looking at the Google Pixel Watch 2. This watch is the successor to last year's Pixel Watch, and Google has promised us a few improvements on this version. Personally, I was impressed by the first version and I'm looking forward to this one. And off the back, I just want to say that if you are getting the Google Pixel 8 Pro, for a limited time, Google will give you this watch for free at no additional cost. Alright, let's get into unboxing this thing. Off the back, Google made changes to the packaging of this device. In the box, you have the watch, the charger, the instruction manual, and an extra strap. I love the design on the Pixel Watch. It is so clean, classic, and elegant. Looks and feels really good. This watch looks almost identical to the first gen. As you can see, the crown and the buttons are placed almost in the exact positions. However, it does seem like the microphone placement on the new version is slightly different from that of the old version. Besides that, everything else looks almost identical. I have to say that learning to swap out the strap on the first watch was pretty challenging, but after a while, you get used to it. To change the strap, you have to align, push down on the button next to the inserts, push in, swivel, and lock. To take it out, you have to push down on that button again, swivel, and it comes off. It takes some practice, but after that, should be good to go. One thing I need to point out is that the straps on the first gen seems to be longer than the straps on the second gen. As you can see, this is the first gen on my wrist. When I put it on, you can see which inserts matches the size of my wrist. And for the second gen, this is the insert that works for me. So for what it's worth, if this matters to you, it might be worth paying attention to. I have to say that Google made one major upgrade to the charger of this watch. Personally, the charger on the first gen was horrible. The watch can never stay stuck to the charger and it kept falling out every single time. With this generation, the charger actually snaps to the watch. However, you have to align it properly. But once you do, it snaps, it locks, it's sturdy, and it's good to go. So once again, I love this watch. It's a beautiful watch, and I'm looking forward to testing and using it daily. That's it guys for this review, and I'll catch you on the next one.